Understanding hit the pitch in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is both fun and effective. Today, we're going to delve into a common English phrase, hit the pitch. If you've heard this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's decode its meaning and use together. The phrase, hit the pitch, can be understood in a couple of ways, depending on the context. Primarily, it's a sports term, often associated with soccer, football. It refers to players going out onto the playing field, which is also known as the pitch. It symbolizes the start of action or play. Beyond the literal sense, hit the pitch has made its way into everyday language. It signifies starting an activity with enthusiasm or getting going with an action. For instance, you might hear someone say they're ready to hit the pitch when they're about to start a project or tackle a new challenge. To help you understand better, let's see how it's used in sentences. The team is ready to hit the pitch and show what they've been practicing. After weeks of planning, we're finally going to hit the pitch with our new marketing strategy. One common mistake learners make is using the phrase inappropriately. Remember, it's not about music or hitting a note, and it's not used for casual, everyday activities like going shopping. It's about starting something significant with determination. And there you have it. Hit the pitch is a dynamic phrase that brings to mind action and enthusiasm. We hope you're now confident in understanding and using this phrase in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you hit the pitch with your English learning journey.